Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crown family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad that you can always come back and show your girl some love. So if you want to get more information on this unit that I'm wearing right here, how about you stay tuned?
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
So the unit that I'm reviewing is this unit by Bobbi, and it is called RAEGAN, and I have it in the color THL613/4, and it has like highlight. So for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And the cap construction is very like soft, and it's very mesh, and it's breathable, so that's good. And I got this from Wig Ties for like $29 and some change. And the good thing is, with like, I didn't have to pay any upcharge for the color that I got, or you don't have to pay any upcharge for any specialty color, so it would be a $29 flat plus tax, you know. But I like her. And the weird thing is, give me 1 second. So I have this wig also by Bobbi. Stay out for the review on this. And this one is called RAEGAN without the A. I'm like, are you guys running out of names? Like, because if you see this, it's the same pronunciation, at least to me, but it's just spelled differently. But you know, it is part of their Solve volume series. On the cap, it shows you all like the 3 other wigs in this collection. which is nice, and it's very soft. This is heat safe. It doesn't say to what degree, so you're gonna have to just be cautious and keep in mind it is synthetic. So, and it has baby hair. As you see, I use the baby hair. You can do without the baby hair, you really can, but I wanted to use baby hair, so I did. And the parting space is very nice. It has a 5-inch deep parting space, which as you can see, it is really nice. And the lace, one thing I will say about this, the lace is very, it was easy. It blended with my complexion before I even put, well, it didn't blend per se, but you know, it came close to blending with my complexion. And then once I put the tint spray on there, it was like what lace? Do you see that? What lace? Because I don't see any lace, but which was nice. I like the color, I like the density, and this is like, I guess, yeah, it is the 4 that you see coming through, and then the 613 right here, like a peekaboo. I am here for it. The density is it's thin. That's good. So natural, it can come off natural, like it's not too thick, and I'm here for it. I am here for it, honestly. This is a very beginner friendly unit. I'll recommend it to anybody. So, you know, let's talk about RAEGAN with the A in the comment section, and make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. I love your Crownz, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.